Hi everyone, welcome to MR Learning Circle. I hope you all are fit and fine, doing good in your lives. So this is the 8th lecture of our MCQ series of microbiology section of your GATE examination. So today we are going to cover, it is the microbial taxonomy and diversity part 2, and in this video we are going to cover about viruses and their classification, and the next topic is molecular approaches to microbial taxonomy and phylogeny. I hope you all have watched the previous video. If you have not, then I have pinned the playlist. You can go and watch it. The videos are very beneficial and just go and watch it. So now let's start with our topic, virus and their classification. So the first question is, which of the following viruses possesses a segmented RNA genome? Your options are A. poliovirus, B. influenza virus, C. adenovirus, and D. rabies virus. So the correct answer for this question is option B, influenza virus. So influenza virus, they come under the family of Orthomyxoviridae and they have segmented negative sense RNA genome, which allows genetic reassortment. Okay. Now next is question number 2. The Baltimore classification system classifies viruses based on which of the following criteria? Your options are A. type of host infected, B. capsid symmetry, C. type and mode of replication of nucleic acid, D. presence or absence of envelope. Correct answer for this question is option C. type and mode of replication of nucleic acid. So in this Baltimore system, it divides the virus into 7 classes and it is based on their genome type. That is, it is DNA, RNA, is it single or double stranded, and how they produce mRNA during replication. Now question number 3. Which of the following DNA viruses replicate through an RNA intermediate? Your options are A. parvovirus, B. adenovirus, C. hepatitis B virus, D. herpes simplex virus. Your answer is option C. hepatitis B virus. So hepatitis B virus comes from the family of hepadenovirus and is partially double-stranded DNA virus. So that replicates via reverse transcription of an RNA intermediate. Okay. Now question number 4. Icosahedral symmetry is a characteristic of which of the following viruses? Your options are A. rabies virus, B. influenza virus, C. polio virus, and D. Ebola virus. Correct answer for this question is option C. polio virus. Polio virus is a picorna virus. Okay. Now next is question 5. Which class in Baltimore classification includes retroviruses like HIV? Your options are A. class 3, B. class 5, C. class 6, and D. class 7. Correct answer for this question is option C, class 6. So retrovirus are class 6 virus and they have single-stranded positive sense RNA genome that replicates via DNA intermediate using reverse transcriptase. Next question, question number 6. Which of the following statements correctly differentiate bacteriophages from animal viruses? Options are A. bacteriophages always have RNA genome, B. animal viruses inject only DNA into host cell, leaving capsid outside. C. bacteriophages inject their genome into bacteria, leaving capsid outside. D. animal viruses replicate only in the nucleus. So, your answer for this question is option C. bacteriophages inject their genome into bacteria, leaving capsid outside. Easy question. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a feature used in virus classification by ICTV, that is International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses? Your options are A. type of nucleic acid, B. host range, C. capsid structure, D. gram staining characteristics. Correct answer for this question is option D, gram staining characteristic. Why? Gram staining does not apply to virus, it only applies to bacteria. Easy, I guess. Question number 8. Which virus family includes double-stranded RNA viruses with segmented genome? Options are A. Reoviridae, B. Retroviridae, C. Togaviridae, D. Rhabdoviridae. So your correct answer is option A. Reoviridae. Okay. So now you have to write it in the comment box one example of Reoviridae. Okay. So your Reoviridae, it possesses double-stranded segmented RNA genome that is enclosed in an icosahedral capsid. So you have to write down in the comment box the example of Reoviridae. Question number 9. Which of the following correctly matches the virus with its genome type? Options are A. Herpes virus, single-stranded RNA, B. Adenovirus, double-stranded DNA, C. Influenza virus, double-stranded RNA, D. retrovirus, double-stranded DNA. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Adenovirus. It has double-stranded DNA. Okay, herpes virus is also double-stranded DNA, but it's enveloped. Okay. Next, your influenza virus is single-stranded RNA and it is negative sense. Your retrovirus is positive strand, single-stranded RNA. Okay. Now question number 10. Which of the following is true about negative sense RNA virus? Your options are: their RNA can directly serve as mRNA, they require RNA-dependent RNA polymerase in the virion, C. they replicate in the nucleus only, D. they possess double-stranded RNA. Your options, the correct answer for this question is option B. They require RNA-dependent RNA polymerase in the virion. Okay. Now we have next topic, that is your molecular approaches to microbial taxonomy and phylogeny. Question 1. Which of the following molecular markers is most commonly used in determining bacterial phylogeny? Options are A. 16S rRNA gene, B. 23S rRNA gene, C. cytochrome oxidase gene, D. ATP synthetase gene. So the correct answer for this question is option A. 16S rRNA gene. Question 2. The degree of similarity between two bacterial genomes can be best measured using options A. fatty acid methyl ester analysis, B. DNA hybridization, C. gram staining, D. GC content estimation. So the correct answer for this question is option B. DNA hybridization. So DNA hybridization is the direct method of estimation of your genetic similarities. Now question 3. Average nucleotide identity is used as a modern alternative to DNA hybridization. The generally accepted species cutoff for ANI is approximately option A 60%, B 70%, C 80%, D 95%. So the correct answer for this question is option D 95%. Question 4. Which of the following genes is least suitable for constructing deep phylogenies across all domains of life? Options A. rRNA genes, B. Rec-A, C. heat shock protein HSP60 and D. 16S to 23S rRNA intergenic spacer. Correct answer for this question is option D. 16S to 23S rRNA intergenic spacer. So it is highly variable and not conserved across all domain. Okay. That's why it's least suitable. Question number 5. In molecular taxonomy, multilocus sequence typing, that is MLST, primarily relies on A. sequencing of multiple ribosomal RNA genes, B. Sequencing several housekeeping genes. C. PCR fingerprinting of total genomic DNA. D. Measuring protein profiles. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Sequencing several housekeeping genes. Question 6. Phylogenetic trees constructed using molecular data are based on which fundamental assumptions? Your options are A. All genes evolve at the same rate. B. Molecular sequences accumulate mutation over time. C. DNA always undergoes recombination. And D. Ribosomal RNA does not mutate. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Molecular sequences accumulate mutations over time. Now question 7. Which molecular method can directly access microbial community diversity without culturing organisms? Options are A. SDH page, B. denaturing, gradient gel electrophoresis, that is DGGE. Option C is gram staining, D is API biochemical test. The correct answer for this question is option B. Denaturing, gradient gel electrophoresis. Question 8. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched regarding the molecular markers and its utility? Your options are A. 16S rRNA strain level identification. Option B is internal transcribed spacer, that is ITS, fungal identification. C is GC content, phylogenetic tree construction. D is tRNA gene species delineation. So the correct answer for this question is option B, that is internal transcribed spacer, and it's done for fungal identification. Now 16S rRNA is done for genus species level identification, and your GC content is rough genomic characteristic, and your tRNA gene is done for some fingerprintings. Now question 9. In constructing a phylogenetic tree, the neighbor joining, that is NJ method, primarily uses options are A. Characters based maximum likelihood estimation, B. Pairwise distance matrix of sequence divergence, C is random sequence alignment, D is protein tertiary structure data. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Pairwise distance matrix of sequence divergence. Question number 10. Which of the following molecular approaches provide the most comprehensive insight into microbial phylogeny and taxonomy at present? Options are A. Restriction fragment length polymorphism, B. Whole genome sequencing, C. GC content analysis, D. DNA hybridization. So the correct answer for this question is whole genome sequencing, that is option B. So that was all for today. I hope this video is useful for you, and if you find this video useful, please like, share, and do comment down below. Thank you for watching.